Hello, welcome to Rachel T's Reviews. So I have a few things I'll be reviewing. Well, I'll just do one thing per video, I guess. So, they've already been opened. Sorry I didn't do an actual unboxing, but these came in a pink bag for breast cancer awareness, and this is from Scentbox. Now, last time they put them in an actual box. This time they're not in a box. I don't know why. They were just in a little... They were in just a regular, like, box. I don't know if I can find it or not. This is what they were in last time, something like this. Like with a good sturdy styrofoam. This time they were in like just a little tiny cardboard box that was about the shape of it. You'd put, that mascaras would come in or whatever. So last time I had the Dulce Rosa Excelsa. I don't know. Smells not bad. I just am not used to wearing perfume, so I'm probably going to cancel mine, but my husband still likes getting his. So he got the Acqua di Gio, and that was his favorite scent from before, and he wanted another one, so he got one, so now we have like a little thing of it. And he was disappointed that he got the premium version before he realized that the one that he wanted was actually just regular, like it wasn't a premium thing. So he ended up getting the premium version of it, which this is Acqua di Gio Profumo. I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably not, but whatever. It smells the same to me. My husband's making funny faces at me in the door. It smells the same to me. So I got the Acqua di Gioia. I'm not Italian or whatever it's supposed to be. I probably just sound stupid right now trying. And I don't want to spray it on myself right now because I'm about to go to bed. And I don't really want to be smelling like it too much, so I'll put on this card. It definitely smells really, really sweet when you're like smelling it from here, but it doesn't smell as bad just on the card, but then it just disappears. Maybe it lasts longer on skin than it does on a piece of paper. I don't know. Again, they have a little breast cancer symbol, and they all, both the men and the women's one, came in a black container with the pink breast cancer awareness ribbon. And then the bag it came in was the regular bubble wrap, but it was pink for both the men and the women. Normally the women is a different color than the men for some reason. I don't know, whatever. So there's that. Oh, I believe when you get your first trial, it's actually a lot cheaper, the first one, than it is. Oh, I broke it. There we go. The first one you can get for like $9.99 or something, unless you're getting the premium, then it's $12 or $13, maybe $15, I don't know. I think the premium is actually about 18 something, maybe 19 a month. And the other one I believe is like 13 to 15. I'm sorry, but I'm definitely struggling. See, you guys, look, I broke it. Hopefully I broke mine and not his. No, of course I broke his. Oh no. Sorry, Hubs. Oh. Fixed it. Okay. So there's that. See, there's the ones that I have now. He has one that's in a silver container and basically smells like this one right here. But oh well. This one was the premium one, so he wanted to get that. So again, that is Scentbox, and I will put a link or something below. Again, I might probably cancel mine, so I'll probably link my husband's instead. I don't know if the referral code gets you anything free or if it gets him anything free. I really have no idea because I've never really done it. So thanks for watching.